There's something the richest 1% in the world knows that you were never taught in school. While you sleep, there's money out there generating more money. While you eat, there's money generating more money. While you're watching this video, there's money generating more money. For someone else. Not for you. Why? Because there's a silent rule that separates the person who works their entire life for a paycheck from the person who builds a system that works for them forever. And today I'm going to explain it to you, completely. No jargon. No filler. With real examples you'll understand in 5 minutes. And by the end of this video, I'm going to tell you something almost no finance channel dares to say out loud. Let's start. Imagine this. You work 8 hours. You sleep 8 hours. And the 8 that are left, you give away to everything else. That's how the world has worked for almost all of us. Trading time for money. Hour by hour. Day by day. Year by year. But here's the problem, your time is limited. It's literally the one resource you can never get back. And yet, it's exactly the one we give away the most. Did you know there's another way? One where money, not you, does the heavy lifting. And here's where things get complicated. Because it's not enough to earn more money. If you just spend it, you're still stuck in the same cycle, just with bigger numbers. Rich people discovered something different. And no, it's not some secret hidden in a forbidden book. It's right there in plain sight. Nobody saw it coming because nobody explained it this way. But what's coming next is even more incredible. Everything changes when you understand one single word, asset. An asset isn't whatever looks expensive. An asset is, simply, something that puts money in your pocket without you having to be there. A house you live in is not an asset. It costs you money every month. A brand new car isn't one either. It loses value the moment you drive it off the lot. But stocks that pay dividends, a business that runs without you, a property someone else rents, those are assets. Those work while you don't. See the difference? It's not about how much you earn. It's about what you turn what you earn into. And here's something almost nobody explains well. But this is just the beginning. Because there's a mathematical force behind all of this that Einstein, as the story goes, called the most powerful force in the universe. Imagine you plant a seed. Not a plant. A seed. The first year, you barely see a sprout. Nothing impressive. It's normal to doubt it. It's normal to think it's not working. But that seed doesn't just grow, it produces more seeds. And those seeds produce more seeds. And so, year after year, what started out tiny becomes a forest. That is compound interest. Wait. Because this gets better. If you invest a small amount every month, for long enough, without touching it, the growth stops being linear. It becomes exponential. The first years feel slow. Almost frustrating. But after a certain point, the curve takes off. And that turning point is exactly where most people give up. Right before things get good. Rich people figured this out a long time ago. That's why they're not chasing quick riches. They're focused on not touching the seed. That's the real secret. And nobody saw it coming because it sounds too simple to be true. At the start of this video, I promised to explain how money can work for you while you go live your life. You've already seen the foundation, assets, not liabilities, and compound interest, not impulse spending. But there's a part almost nobody explains well. Why the middle class, even earning good salaries, stays stuck. And that is about to change for you. Here's the pattern that repeats itself over and over in the stories of people who built real wealth. When they earn more, they don't raise their spending at the same pace. The gap between what they earn and what they spend, they reinvest it. Again. And again. It's not that they never treat themselves. It's that they feed the system first. Then, with what the system generates, they treat themselves. It's a simple change of order, but almost nobody applies it. And that small change of order is, literally, the difference between staying the same your whole life, or building something that outlives you. Here's the fact I want you to tell me in the comments if you already knew it. Most of the middle class doesn't have an income problem. They have a direction problem. Money comes in and goes out at exactly the same pace, toward things that look like success but are really liabilities disguised as rewards. A more expensive car. A house bigger than you can comfortably afford. Subscriptions nobody even remembers exist. Every one of those expenses is one less soldier in your army of money working for you. Tell me in the comments if you already knew this. On average, people only check their small, unnoticed expenses once it's already too late to fix the course of the year. But what's coming next is even more incredible, because now we're going to put it all together into one single system. So, what does this look like together, in real life? First, figure out how much you can set aside every month without affecting your daily life. It doesn't matter if it's small. What matters is that it's consistent. Second, that money goes straight into assets. Not expenses. Not impulse buys. Into something that generates more money. Third, whatever that asset generates, you don't spend it. You reinvest it. Again. And fourth, you simply wait. You let time do what only time can do. And here's what almost no documentary mentions: this system doesn't work because you're a financial genius. It works because you stay consistent for longer than most people are willing to wait. That is the entire advantage. It's not a secret. It's patience, applied with discipline, over years. If you made it this far, you probably already know what you need to do. The question isn't whether it works anymore. The question is whether you're going to start today, or in 10 years, wishing you had started today. Tell me in the comments, do you already have your first asset, or is this the video that gets you started? See you in the next one.